same thing with price guessing.
Alright, so this looks like it's
I see a costume or something, or
One person gets
is that a
to
toast?
choose.
Oh, wait, that's actually cool. Is it? Look at that.
Wait,
is
flip it
actually-
around, flip it around.
Oh, wait, hold up.
It's a hat.
Wait, do you wear like a mask?
Yeah, you
like
wear
that?
it. No, you wear it
Like
like
this?
Yeah, like a little pillow hat. That looks so good.
Oh my god.
Yeah!
We need another one.
That was
That's
like.
what you should have got another one. How
Guess
much?
the
Do we guess
price.
the price of this?
Yeah.
It actually feels pretty good.
It's comfy. Yeah?
I'm gonna guess. Chat really likes this one. W. $15.
I'm gonna say 20.
I think it was pretty expensive.
The correct answer is my Amazon closed my order details.
This was whatever it was.
$20.99.
Yeah, 20. Okay.
That
I
seems
thought
fair.
I was saying
Well, that's
29.
20 bucks.
I was thinking about 2, but that would have been so much of the budget.
Honestly, it's very comfy.
You want to do your other item next, or you want to jump to
Oh, dude, I could wear this.
It's nice and comfy. Looks worth the money. Honestly, we need another one. I think.
We'll take some setting up, so I can set it up in the back here.
Dude, imagine building a PC
We'll
in
probably
this.
want to give it to them because they'll eat up time if we have them do it here. So
Oh,
sure. Do it.
I like you.
They'll need a laptop. They can do that.
I need a laptop. We want
There's
MacBook
the
work.
one.
Yeah, we'll just get one from the back. So this one will wait for a second.
All right.
Our HP's in the other room if we wanted that.
Here's the first item of mine.
Uh-oh. Oh, we're actually able to fit a gaming keyboard in the budget?
Oh.
I was not expecting a gaming
This
keyboard.
doesn't feel like a theme so far.
Just you.
This is probably some...
I have my own independent theme.
Alright, so this is probably some weird themed keyboard. Okay, I see pink already.
You have to guess the price on it.
I was gonna make a white beard one or something.
Ding, ding, ding.
Oh, it's just... Wait, what is this? Interesting. Okay, what is this?
So it's membrane.
CTBTB?
What
is?
torture ball?
Is it actually membrane? It should
It's
be.
CTB.
It said it was mechanical.
It's CTB Bessie.
So is this supposed to be like a little thing where you can put like paper?
Doesn't seem mechanical.
Like it's like...
No.
Okay, it says on the box a switch type. I thought it did. No, it just says pink
Can
wire.
you come feel this? Because that is not. It feels like a really.
That is not.
Alright, let's pop this bad boy off. That is not mechanical.
Oh,
they
no.
lied to you.
Well, for the price, it makes sense. Can we guess the price on this?
Does it have any RGB or anything?
It has RGB. it
Okay,
says.
then that's when you plug it up.
I'd say like $16.
Did you grab that laptop?
I'm gonna go grab it.
$16.
What's your guess on that?
When you say that, I'm gonna guess it was like $12, $13.
It was 13.
$13. I mean, look, it has a volume wheel right here for $13. That's pretty good.
Show the people the chat.
Yeah, it's here you go. You can see it in the overhead.
I think McAllister used this last and just left it unplugged.
Are you surprised?
No.
So yeah, there it is, guys. Looks pretty cool. This ain't e-waste level. It's not bad, actually. $13? I think $13 is kind of worth it. Pinky Tag, this is for you. It's pink.
Pink E-Tech? What'd you call yourself, Pink E-Tech, by the way?
Yeah, we never asked that question. So there's something else we need a laptop for?
Swing high,
Yeah.
swing low, sweet
You just wanna
chariot
run through all
hot.
Huh?
You just want to run through mine a little bit?
Yeah, that's what
Oh,
you're
this
called.
is the worst back. Oh wait, no, it got better. Oh, it's RGB.
Whoa.
It's actually RGB.
Not
So,
mechanical,
How
but
about
RGB.
it?
Here, hit that light
13.
switch over there, and I'll hit
Wow.
the one over here.
Yeah, I had like 3 reviews.
Look at that, guys.
That's actually pretty cheap.
And then the next piece of the puzzle.
Let's turn the light back on.
Yeah, turn the light back on now.
Macintosh keycap? So this is a Macintosh keycap.
Since
Oh,
it's
it's like an
membrane
art-
though, it won't work. So we'll just have to keep that in mind.
Is it like an artisan
It was
keycap?
supposed to be for
Aw.
mechanical.
Oh, that's cute. Oh,
Oh.
you took the face of it off.
Oh, it's magnetic.
It comes with different faces,
Oh, that's cool.
and then LED will shine through it.
Oh,
Dude, look, it came with the mini keyboard and mouse.
Yeah, it's the escape key and then tab.
Oh yeah, look right here.
oh, nice.
Oh look, it came with like tiny little stickers.
That's cute. I'll probably be able to.
That's funny. The keyboard wasn't.
No, if it was mechanical,
I'll be able to barely see that, guys.
All right. I have
have the next part.
You're trying to get it to focus. Yeah, I can see them. Look at these little things. They're cute. Look at that.
I want you to feel it and tell me what you think it is.
Now that I've gotten up, just can't stop yawning.
And there's a theme for mine so far.
I feel like you have like a setup theme going on here, because this feels like some sort of wrist rest.
That can only
You
mean
feel
one
it first
thing.
and tell me that I'm. Yeah, I know exactly what they are.
Wrist rest this is.
I
I feel a hump and a spot in the middle.
I
I
don't think you feel what kind of it is.
think I know what kind it is.
No,
That's not what I expected. I thought it was gonna be
it's a
boobs.
corgi butt.
I kept it PG.
So they must use the same like template.
All right,
I
here
was
we go.
excited. I always wanted the anime boob one.
Here you go, guys.
What do you think, chat?
Should Matt run this? His
This is
dedicated
it.
mouse mat?
Honestly, it's kind of the vibe.
You could put it over top of your big one. Yeah.
Honestly,
That's
carpal
good.
tunnel
The next
gone.
The
Dude, these
complete
are
setup.
squishy.
Oh my god.
What is that? A mouse?
It's a mouse.
Dude, you gotta feel this, Zach. Because why are we turning me on?
What is?
Is that a whale?
It is a whale.
That's the cutest setup of
That looks
2023.
like it has anti-glide on it.
Why is it?
Kawaii's in chat.
It feels so backwards here. Here you go, guys.
So cute, so
I
cute.
just want to play this.
Let's get some price guesses on those three things.
Should we do
coming out
10
so
gifted to win all this?
far. How much do you
Alright.
think the mouse pad was?
$10.
$8.99.
14.
$14. I mean, it's
This
Yeah.
better not be more than $10.
The mouse?
Yes.
What are your guesses?
$10.
I'm gonna say like 6.
It's on a different order, so.
The keyboard is not mechanical, so it's
The
not
mouse was
solvable.
$8.
Okay.
Good,
And then
good,
what
good.
about the keycap?
Keycap?
That was probably expensive.
$8.
9.
13.
Oh wow! It was the
It's
same
very-
price as the keyboard.
Very high quality.
I kind of want to see, because it said that like when you turn it on, light will shine through this, and then you can change what's on the screen.
You could use like our mechanic keyboard over there.
Just join what's going on. We're doing our Amazon mystery unboxing.
That's the last thing right there from my setup. And then I'll say the part that was supposed to come in but didn't.
I read it.
Matt!
Is that cat ears?
There. Where do they go though?
Headphones?
Are
If
they
you have
for-
headphones, they go on the headphone band.
Could you put them over your real ears maybe?
No. Meow.
No,
Meow.
meow.
Meow, meow.
I can hang them like this.
I think if you did it the other way and put the, I don't know, maybe the.
It's like there's really not. Sweet ears, bro. Thanks. These are my earrings now. He just likes it. That's so comforting.
And the
That's
last
just a picture
part
of
that
the
was
weirdness.
supposed to show up, but did not, was a $18 all pink maid outfit with stockings and everything.
You told me you didn't order it at all.
I tried to.
You should have dressed up and presented all of this to us. That's how you. If you got a maid costume, if you didn't do that, I would have been very
Well,
disappointed.
you remember the challenge thing I said where I was like, you know, I want someone, if they lose the challenge, they have to do something?
Was it the maid costume?
Yes, it was that.
This is what my dreams look like, is it? This is what dreams are made of.
What's that one?
This is a random keyboard. I wanted to see the keycap.
I like how they call it magnetic mini keyb.
Keep. You're a key.
It's
a keyb.
It seems dangerous.
I can get it off. Do your grippers pull it?
My quippers.
Do the keycap pull it?
Somewhere.
Something better.
Let's pop back in. What you guys doing? We're doing a mystery unboxing of Amazon products that we got from Zach and Zach.
Oh,
This was Zach's theme, pink
Box.
setup. The cutest setup of all time.
We'll find out.
Oh yeah, looks like it will.
And then, and then we have a laptop we can plug it into to see the RGB. I don't even know if this keyboard has RGB. Or,
It does.
I think.
Oh, dude, it does actually glow
Does it
through
love the
pretty well.
screen?
Yeah.
That is cool.
Isn't
Nice. Cool.
it so cute?
Cute.
Cool.
Cute product. Cool. Cool.
Now it's time for Zach's.
All right,
last.
Zach. What is this?
Is this the expensive thing?
Yes.
Oh no.
Oh.
See if it works, fellas.
Oh, man.
A little bit of Chinese
You wanna put,
special
yeah,
in
you want to
there.
put it on your phone, bro?
How's it work?
I don't know.
I actually did test it a little bit, and it did work. It was kind of cool when you would type on it, it would click. Yeah, I just did that.
Okay. Do we need the lights out?
We can turn off the lights, yeah.
Is it plugged into anything?
Yeah, can't we sync it to something?
I believe so.
But how?
Is it Bluetooth?
I didn't see a Bluetooth button anywhere. There's a cord. Or that's a charging cord, maybe?
Now just plug in the laptop and then
This seems counterintuitive.
yeah.
Well, I think for smart, it's like for a tablet or smartphone normally.
I didn't see any Bluetooth unless it's like pairing right now. Okay. Here we are. Laser show.
Did they see it? Go
I don't want to like. This is.
I figure you just type in the.
Is it working?
So far, no.
Let me see real quick. It is Bluetooth.
Okay. Let me just.
That's I'm gonna sync up my phone.
It's called the laser projection.
Yeah, it's on
keyboard.
iOS.
Laser projection keyboard.
Oh, they show up?
Yep.
Go to your notes.
Now you're gonna get John Cena memes for the rest of your life.
That's what I'm doing.
It's a virus.
It's already.
Help! It took my key. Oh, it took my keyboard away.
Yo!
Yo.
How does it work pretty well?
Yeah, looks like it. No, it's
Try and type a paragraph real quick.
Does that show up?
Try and type, "I love ToastyBros."
That actually works surprisingly well.
It actually
No
works
single
really. You
lines.
tried it. It actually works really well. It feels very natural, very human design.
What?
As like types in nothing that means anything.
Yeah, I'm
You
just
try, Jackson.
Oh god.
This is peak internet right here.
Oh.
Toast, man.
You kind of do have to like. I notice if you have like all your finger. It doesn't seem like it works very well if you do. It does
It's
not
like one
that.
key at a time.
Yeah. It's kind of weird. It has like a camera here because I was like, I wonder if you could do this and make it type, but you literally have to like press it.
It's kind of trippy.
Isn't it freaky? I gotta get
Can
video
you
of this.
imagine gaming?
Stop the sound. It's so annoying. Shut up.
Beep beep beep.
Can you turn off the beeps? I don't think so. It kind of gives you, like, honestly, if you're typing, like, the beeps actually make it more satisfying. Like, it's actually doing something.
Yeah, otherwise you would never know.
Yeah. I feel like without the noise, it'd be pretty awful.
How many WPM do you think you can get up to with this?
Not a lot. It's very slow.
Oh my god. Now compare it to this one.
No, dude, he's typed in like a million.
Oh, could you imagine just putting a sheet of metal under that and you have to like tap the metal?
How fast can I...
Zach, this is the future. People are gonna modify the clicky sounds of this thing.
How many H's can
What
I
happens
do?
if I do this? Let's see. Can we change like the?
Oh my god.
Whoa!
Woo.
Woo, guys.
Someone said kind of cool for Osu. I don't know if you could press it fast enough for Osu.
Well, there's that, guys.
Like-
I think I broke it.
I think you just turned it off.
Did you?
Oh, what are you doing?
He's just taking the keyboard apart.
He's breaking the keyboard. Sounds like a McDonald's kitchen. Is that what a McDonald's kitchen sounds like?
I think I'm
Most
taking
cool
off
to
my
you
epic
put that
mouse.
one right there too. It matches.
I don't want to try that again. That didn't work.
Should we do a
Too
clips,
well.
a clips outro?
Yeah. Eclipse. Yeah, you. Person Eclipse. Look at this. Lighting is so, like, dark. Is someone turn on the other light?
Yes.